morning, children. See what I have brought for you today. This is a teddy bear. So children, can you tell me anything about this teddy bear? Let's see. You can say this is a pink teddy. You can say this is a soft teddy. You can say this is a small teddy. This is a cute teddy, beautiful teddy. So see children, we have got so many words that is describing this teddy bear. Let's see. You can say this is a pink teddy. This is a cute teddy. This is a soft teddy. This is a small teddy. And you can also say it's a beautiful teddy. So children, all these words like pink, cute, soft, beautiful, small, these all words are describing this teddy. So we can say that these are the describing words. These are the describing words. Let's see another example. Okay, see what I've got. I've got an apple. So as you can see, this is apple. So can you describe this apple? This is a red apple. This is a sweet apple. This is small or big, whatever. Let's say this is a small apple. Okay. So let's see about apple. It is a sweet apple. It is a red apple. It is a small apple. So children, these words like small, sweet, red, these are also describing this apple. So these words are also called describing words. If I ask you children, how's the weather today? You can say it's a bright day, it's a sunny day, it's a hot day, it's a humid day, it's a rainy day, it's a good day, it's a bad day. So many words are there by which you can describe your day. So all these words like good day, bad day, sunny, bright, hot, humid, rainy. So these all are describing the noun day. So children, what I mean to say this, that the words that describes noun or a pronoun are called adjectives, or we can say describing words are called adjectives. So today we are going to study about adjectives. So let's learn more about it. So children, as I told you, describing words are called adjectives. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes the quality of naming word or noun. The describing words are known as adjectives. Example, Ria is a pretty girl. So what kind of girl is Ria? Ria is a pretty girl. So here the adjective is pretty because pretty is describing the noun Ria. Harish is a tall boy. So what kind of boy is Harish? Harish is a tall boy. So it is describing the noun boy. So these describing words like pretty, tall, these are known as adjectives. Let us see more example. He is wearing a shiny red tracksuit. So children, first we'll see what is the noun here. Tracksuit. It is a noun. Now what kind of tracksuit? So we can get the answer shiny red tracksuit. So these words shiny red, it is describing the noun tracksuit. So these words are adjectives. These words shiny and red, these are adjectives because it is describing the noun tracksuit. It's a bright sunny day. So noun here is day. This is a noun. Which kind of day or what kind of day? It's a bright sunny day. So this bright sunny day are the adjective. So we see there are two adjectives here which is describing the noun day, bright day and sunny day. So children, the words which describes noun are called adjectives. Children, adjectives answers the questions like what kind, which one, how many, how much. So if we see the example, it will be more clear to you. Today is a warm day with hundreds of birds chirping in the clear blue sky. So first let's pick out the noun here. Okay, day is a noun, birds noun, and one more noun, sky. So we see that there are three nouns here, day, birds and sky. So let's find out what are the adjectives that are describing these nouns. So here we get, today is a warm day. What kind of day? It's answering the question, what kind of day? Warm day. With hundreds of birds. How many birds? Hundreds of birds. Chirping in the clear blue sky. What kind of sky? Clear blue sky. So children, we see that the adjectives are warm, which is describing the noun day, hundreds, which is describing the noun birds, and clear blue, which is describing the noun sky. So we have three adjectives here, warm, hundreds and clear blue. So we can say that adjectives answers the question what kind, how many, how much. Children, as you have seen in other examples, that we can use more than one adjectives in a sentence. So if you're using more adjectives, then it should be in a proper order. It's not like that you can use any adjective anywhere. So to make a perfect sentence, we should follow the following order. What is the order? First, it should be the size. Second, texture. Texture means you can say the quality of a thing. Next is the color, red, yellow, green, white, blue, anything. And then comes the type, what type of thing or person you are talking about. Let's see an example, then it will be clear to you. If you see this example, the yellow big beach shiny ball. No, this is not correct. It's not making the, means not giving the correct impression of the ball. Why? Because the order of the adjectives are not correct. As I told you that it should be in a particular order. Now let's arrange these adjectives in a proper order and then see. So see now here, the big shiny yellow beach. As I told you, the order should be like first should be the size, that is big, then should be the texture, means the quality, which kind of ball, it is shiny, so it is the texture. Then color, that is yellow. Next comes the color. And then type, which kind of ball it is? It is a beach ball, so it is a type. So children, we should use the adjective in proper order. Like first comes the big, that is size, shiny, that is texture, yellow, that is color, and beach ball means type of ball. The big shiny yellow beach ball. So this is the correct statement. I hope you have understood this much. Students, there are some list of adjectives that are commonly used. Let's see. As I told you, color, size, texture, shape. So let's see the first is the color. Black, white, pink, yellow, brown, purple, orange, red, green. Then size, small, tiny, medium, large, huge, gigantic, big, short, tall. Texture, smooth, hard, fluffy, soft, rough, sticky, bumpy, slippery, fuzzy. And then shape, square, round, oval, curved, straight, wide, narrow, crooked, flat. So these are means commonly used adjectives which we use in the sentences. Children, let's do a small exercise based on adjectives, and here we will pick out the adjectives and also see the nouns they are describing. So let's start. The first sentence is, there was a big pumpkin on the porch. So here pumpkin is also a noun and porch is also a noun. And let's see what are the describing words, or what is the describing word? Big. So what kind of pumpkin? Big pumpkin. So big is the describing word, adjective, because it is describing the noun pumpkin. Laura's costume was scary. So here we can see the noun Laura, costume, they are the nouns, and scary is the adjective. It is describing the noun costume. What kind of see, Laura is not scary, the costume is scary, so it is describing the noun costume. I played a game on my new computer. What kind of computer? New computer. So new is the describing word, adjective, and it is describing the noun computer. The pizza we ate yesterday was delicious. So pizza is the noun, and what kind of pizza we ate? Delicious. So it is describing the pizza. So delicious is the adjective. Is that your messy paper on the floor? What kind of paper? Messy paper. So it is the adjective and it is describing the noun paper. The airplane made a loud noise as it took off. So which kind of noise? Loud. So loud is a describing word, that is adjective, and it is describing the noun noise. The player with the basketball is tall. So with what kind of player? Tall player. So tall is adjective and player is the noun it is describing. We had a great trip to the zoo. So trip is the noun, and what kind of trip? Great trip. So great is describing the noun trip. So great is the adjective. Maya's hands were sticky after she ate the candy. So how was Maya's hands? Sticky, and this sticky is describing the noun hands. The children were happy when it was time for recess. Happy is the adjective and it is describing the noun children. So children, we see that these are the few means exercises of based on adjectives. And this fill in the blanks, and we'll fill the blanks with the appropriate adjective. So let's see. The girl wore a dash dress. See, you can use any adjective which is appropriate, like you can use color, size, shape, numbers, or anything which is suitable. So the girl wore a dash dress. You can say red dress, you can say beautiful dress, you can say short dress. So let's say a beautiful dress. Beautiful dress. I'm using my fingers, so writing is not so good. Sam threw the dash ball to his dog. Sam threw the, let's say, red ball. You can use color also. We visited the zoo so we could see the dash giraffes. So let's fill here tall giraffes. Giraffes are tall, no? So let's fill tall. Dad gave me a dash car for my birthday. Car, you can say white car, or let's say racing car, isn't it? Racing car. Dad gave me a racing car on my birthday. Let me write again. Racing car on my birthday. The dash dog ran through the water puddle. The dash dog, let's say stray dog. STRAY. Mom made dash cookies for us to eat. Let's say chocolate cookies. CHOCOLATE. Chocolate cookies. I ate dash cheeseburgers for lunch. Delicious cheeseburgers. Okay. Delicious. They like to read dash books. They like to read storybooks. Okay, children. So like this, we can fill any appropriate adjective which suits the noun. So I hope you have understood the adjectives properly.